going here, 3 is going here. So see, 1 2 3 4 5 5 corners are there, and at bottom side A and E, it is written here A and E. B and D, it is written here B and D. C is written here. And we already know whatever the image we are getting on the vertical plane, and when we are giving the name, we are giving that name with small letters and with that with dash. That is why it is mentioned 1 dash, A dash here, E dash here, B and D, so B dash and D dash here. This point is going C, so it is written C dash here. 5 and 1, 5 dash and 1 dash. Here 2 and 4, that is why it is written here 2 dash and 4 dash. Here it is 3, so here it is 3 dash. So come to the second question. Second question, it is given here. A hexagonal prism, side of base 25 mm and axis 60 mm long, lies on one of its rectangular faces on HP with its axis perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection when the farther end of the prism is 20 mm in front of VP. So according to question, first of all try to extract the data from the question. So first of all, when we will read the first line, we can get about which solid the question is talking about. There is a hexagonal prism. This is a hexagonal prism. 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexagonal bottom, 1 2 3 4 5 6 hexagonal top. So hexagonal prism, side base 25 mm, side base 25 mm, this side 25 25 25, and axis 60 mm long, and axis this length, this height, this is 60 mm long, lies on one of its rectangular faces. This is its rectangular faces, this is its rectangular faces, this is its rectangular faces. What it is given here, 60 mm long, lies on one of its rectangular faces on HP, lies on one of its rectangular faces on HP, considering this surface is HP plane. So this is placed like this, rectangular faces on HP with its axis perpendicular to VP, with this axis, with axis per this, if suppose this is vertical plane and this is HP plane, so this axis is perpendicular to VP and this axis is parallel to HP plane. With its axis perpendicular to VP, draw its projection when the farther end of the prism is 20 mm in front of VP. This is 20 mm given. If when we are viewing it from the front, the farther end means this end is 20 mm in front of VP. It may be placed here, 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 but it is clearly given here. The farther end of the prism is 20 mm in front of VP, means we are talking about this given distance. This is 20 mm away from VP. Now draw its projection. So very simple. When the solid is hexagonal prism is placed on HP like this, when we will view from the top, we will get a rectangular shape on the HP, and when we will view from the front, we will get this hexagonal shape on the VP plane. So what I have already explained, in this case we are getting a rectangular shape on the HP and hexagonal shape on the VP. So first of all draw that image on HP or on maybe on VP where you are getting its base shape. When the solid is placed in this manner, in this case we are getting this hexagonal on the VP plane. So first of all draw XY line. Above XY line, this is our VP plane and this is HP plane. So if solid is placing like this, we are getting this hexagonal on VP plane, and it is given this is 25 mm side. So 25 mm length after 120 degree, 25 mm length after 120 degree, 25, 25, 25. Construct a hexagonal shape here, and after that, after maintaining this 20 mm distance, because it is mentioned here that this solid is placed the 20 mm away from the VP. After maintaining this 20 mm gap, projection line will be like this. Projection line will be projection up to here, up to this point. Make this, and whatever the height of the solid is given, it will be here. So from this it is given 60 mm long. So from this position draw this line 60 mm long. From this position draw this 60 mm long. This is 60 mm, this is 60 mm. Close it. And now when we will view from the front, consider the front faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Consider the back faces A, B, C, D, E. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is A, B, C, D, E. So here it is written 1 and A, 2 and B, 3 and C, 4 and D, 5 and E, 6 and F. And hence this shape is drawn on the VP plane. That is why it is named with dash. 1 dash, A dash, 2 dash, 6 dash, 3 dash, C dash, 4 dash, D dash, 5 dash, E dash, 6 dash and F dash. And with respect to this, as we are already know, this front portion is A, B, C, D, E. So when we will draw and when HP plane will be rotated, this A, B, C, D, this 1, 2, 3, 4 surface will be here. So with respect to this, this is 3 will become here. This is 4 and 2, this will be come here. This is 5 and 1, this will become here. This is 6, this will become here. Bottom side will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and upper will be A, B, C, D, E. So with respect to this, this is C, this will be C, this is D and B, this will be D and B, this is E and A, this is E and A, and this is F, this is F. This is the answer figure of this question. So we have discussed the first question and the second question which we have drawn on the sheet. Third and fourth question we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for now.